Okay, 7.3b, we're just going to do one final example here. So example 4, we've got a bottle of vitamin C. It has 50 tablets in it. So I'm just going to write tabs. And each tablet contains 250 milligrams. What is the total number of grams in the bottle? Well, there's 250 milligrams per tablet, and we have 50 tablets. So if we multiply 250 milligrams times 50, that will tell us how many milligrams are in the entire bottle. So that gives us 12,500 milligrams, but they aren't interested in how many milligrams are in the bottle. They're interested in how many grams are in the bottle. So we're changing milligrams to grams, but we first of all had to find out not how many milligrams were in each tablet, how many milligrams were in 50 tablets, so that's why we multiplied. So now that I have the total number of milligrams in the bottle, I can try to translate that into grams, so times line, and milligrams on the bottom. Then I look up here at my handy dandy table that I have, and milligrams to grams. Is there any? Yeah, there's a milligram to gram there. When milligrams is on the bottom, I use this one right here. So I'm going to put a 1 gram here and a 1,000 here. And I can cancel my milligrams there and my milligrams there. So I have 12,500 times 1 divided by 1,000. So 12,500 divided by 1,000 is 12.5 grams in the entire bottle. So if you were to take all 50 of those tablets and find out how much vitamin C is in it, there would be 12,500 milligrams, but 12.5 grams. So 12.5 grams and 12,500 milligrams are the same amount. It's just one is in milligrams and one is in grams. And just to kind of give you an idea of how many grams there are, most of us are familiar with pounds. That's what we're used to dealing with. There are 454 grams in 1 pound. So if you have a 1 pound loaf of bread, it's 454 grams. So that gives you an idea of how many many grams of vitamin C are in that bottle. So it takes 454 to make a pound, and there's only 12 and a half. So, gosh, it's less than 10% of a pound. So it isn't very much. So sometimes being able to convert just really, really helps you be able to get your brain around, how much something weighs or how much there is of something when you put it in terms that you're familiar with. Such as, I have no idea how fast a car is going if it's going 600 feet per second, but if you put it in miles per hour, it makes sense. So then I would convert it to miles per hour, and it's like, oh, okay, I get it. I know how fast that is then. So anyway, that's 7.3. And again, I'm not going to go over any of the problems in the lesson of 7.3. They are very, very self-explanatory compared to what we just did in the examples, so I think you'll be just fine going through 7.3 and doing those on your own.